Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss the topic exponent. Exponent is a very useful chapter for next or higher classes, means 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. So it's an important chapter to use for another chapter. Not only uses in a exponent, this chapter useful for or related to another chapter like the algebra. So it's an important chapter or useful chapter. So now today discuss the exponent. Class 8 chapter number 2nd chapter exponent. So first discuss the what is exponent. What is exponent? It means first point is what is exponent. Exponent means we multiply the 2 times of any numbers, like a 2 multiply by 2, so result will be a 4. It means you can write also 2 per power 2, 2 per power 2. So power 2, 2 per power 2, this 2 means exponent and this 2 means base. This 2 means exponent and this 2 means base. It means power and exponent. This is 2 is exponent, and you can also say that power or exponent, both. It's exponent. 2 is the base and 2 per power 2 is exponent. 2 into 2, it means 2 multiply by 2 times, 2 into 2, so result will be a 2 per power 2. So 2 in this situation, 2 is the base and power 2 is exponent. Now clear the exponent. Next slide I will discuss the next point, exponent. What is the exponent? It means exponent. Who is the exponent? Exponent is a quality representing the power. A quality, definition of a exponent, a quality representing the power to which a given number or expression is to be raised, usually expressed as the raised symbol besides the number of expression. It means 2 per power 3. It means 2 multiply by 3 times. 2 per power 3 means 2 multiply by 3 times. It means 3 is a exponent or power also. It means this definition is a quantity representing the power to which a given number. It means any numbers quantity representing the power, it's called as exponent, or a expression is to be raised, the usually expressed as a raised the symbol beside the number of expression. It is the this power 3 is a symbol. It means 2 per power 3. 2 per power 3 represented the exponent. It means it is the definition of a exponent. So you can say that easily this is exponent points. Now next is generally inquiry. It means exponents are shorthand for repeated multiplication. किसी भी मल्टीप्लाई को अगर शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखा जाए, दिस इज कॉल्ड द एक्सपोनेंट. 3 पर पावर 3 इंटू 3 अगर आप 3 को 4 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो ये थोड़ा सा आपको लंबा दिखेगा, बट इसी का अगर शॉर्टकट फॉर्म लिखना हो तो हमें इसको एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे. जो एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट होने के बाद प्रोसेस बना, दिस इज कॉल्ड द एक्सपोनेंट. इट मीन 3 पे पावर 4 इज कॉल्ड द एक्सपोनेंट. सो वी कैन से दैट इट इज अ एक्सपोनेंट. The same things by itself. For instance, the shorthand for multiplying 3 copies of the number 5 shown on the right hand side, the equal sign, it means 5 multiplied by 3 times. So we can write the 5 power 3. It means the exponent being 3 is the example stand for however many times the value of being the multiply. The things that being multiplying 5 is the example is called the base. It means 5 multiplied by 3 times, 5 into 5 into 5. So result will be a 5 power 3. So 3 is the exponent and 5 is the base. This statement says that this point, between any numbers multiply 2 or more times, so we can write in the format of the exponent, power and exponent. So we will write the 5 power 3. So 5 power 3 means 5 multiplied by 3 times. It means 5 is the base and 3 is the exponent of this. So now next is exponent. Another form of exponent, the exponent is this total is power, and this is 5 is base and 3 is exponent. 5 power 3 it is a power and 3 is a exponent and 5 is the base. Example, 125 is equals to 5 power 3 means 5 power 3 is the exponent form of the number 125. 125 we can write the 5 power 3, and 5 power 3 where the 3 power 3 is the exponent and 5 is the power 3 is the exponent and 5 is the power. 5 power 3 is power and 5 is base. So now next point is it means 5 power 3 means 3 factor of 5 or 5 into 5 into 5. 3 factor of 5. It means 5 into 5 into 5. So some ideas related to law of exponent. Law of exponent come from 3 ideas. ये लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स के जो रूल्स बने वो 3 आइडिया से बने. वो 3 आइडिया पहले हम जानते हैं कि वो कौन से 3 आइडियाज़ हैं जिससे हम ये लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स के रूल्स आ गए. क्योंकि किसी भी प्रोसेस को अगर सेम पैटर्न पे चल रहा है तो हमारे मैथमेटिक्स में या साइंस में वो क्या बन जाता है, रूल बन जाता है. सो इट्स कम फ्रॉम 3 आइडियाज़. सो फर्स्ट आइडिया इज द एक्सपोनेंट से हाउ मेनी टाइम्स टू यूज़ द नंबर इन अ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. एक्सपोनेंट्स का फर्स्ट आइडिया कि आप किसी भी नंबर्स को हाउ मेनी टाइम्स वी मल्टीप्लाई बाई नंबर, कि आप नंबर को कितने टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. जैसे अगर हम 5 को 4 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हम इसको क्या लिखते हैं, 5 पावर 4. वी कैन राइट द 5 पावर 4 because we multiply by 4 times, the 5 multiply by 4 times, so we can say the 5 power 4. It means the exponent says that how many times to use the number in a multiplication. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आप कितने टाइम्स नंबर का मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. सो यहाँ पर हमने 4 टाइम्स किया, 1 2 3 4. सो राइट नाउ द 5 पावर 4. अगर आप 5 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो 5 पावर 5. अगर आप 6 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो 5 पावर 6. ओके, इट्स द फर्स्ट ideas. Now second ideas of the exponent. A negative exponent means divide, because the opposite of a multiplying is divide. A negative exponent means a divide. Like as a 5 power minus 3, it is the negative exponent. So any negative exponent or any negative power we can write the number is divide. It means 5 power 3. So you can write 1 upon 125. It's a divide. अगर कोई भी नंबर की पावर अगर माइनस में है तो उसको हमें हमेशा और हमेशा क्या करना होगा, डिवाइड करना होगा. बिकॉज नंबर डिवाइड में क्या हो जाता है, स्मॉलर हो जाता है. मल्टीप्लाई में नंबर बिगर होगा. सो दिस इज स्मॉलर देन द प्रीवियस नंबर. सो इट्स से दैट सेकेंड आइडियाज इज the negative exponent means divide, because the opposite of a multiply is divide. The negative exponent represent the divide. So now next point is a fraction. A fractional exponent like as a 1 upon n means to take the nth root. If number is given x power 1 upon n, so calculate its nth root. It means nth root of x power n. Another example, if we calculate the x power 1 by 3, so x power 1 by 3 means calculate the cube root of x. Another one 343. Number is given 343. 343. So 343 power is 1 by 3. So we calculate the number is cube root of 343. So cube root of 343 is 7. So you can write answer directly 7. It's the third ideas for using the power and exponent laws. It's the third ideas. It's important ideas, and third laws is important ideas. It means a fraction exponent like as a 1 upon n means to take the nth root of the number. Nth root of the number. So now next one is law of exponent. इन लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट, ये देखिए ये आइडियाज़ के बाद जो ये आइडियाज़ हमने डिस्कस किया, ये आइडियाज़ के बाद कुछ रूल्स बनाए गए. सो सम रूल इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अस. सो इन दिस सिचुएशन, इन दिस exponent or in this chapter, we will discuss these ideas. In the all ideas is the most important ideas to related or solve two questions. So first idea is law of exponent. X power 1 means x. It means any numbers power 1 is the calculate the same number. Like is the 5 power 1 result will be a 5. 3 power 1 is equals to 3. 7 power 1 is equals to 7. It means you can write the any numbers power 1. So result always be a same number. So x power 1 is equals to x. And second ideas is a x power 0. X power 0 means 1. It means any numbers power is 0. So result always be a 1. 5 power 0 is equals to 1. 2 power 0 is equals to 1. 7 power 0 is equals to 1. Y power 0 is equals to 1. It means you can write any number. You can take any number. So all the power, if power is a 0, so you can write the answer directly 1. Not another answer. You can write answer only 1. So answer is 1. 5 power 0 is equals to 1. 2 power 0 is equals to 1. 7 power 0 is equals to 1. And y power 0 is equals to 1. So now next point is x power minus 1. If number is x power minus 1, so you can write the 1 upon x. Like as a 5 power minus 1 is equals to 1 upon 5. 3 power minus 1 is equals to 1 upon 3. Any number you can take the power is a negative. If a power is negative, so you can write the number 1 upon 5 or 1 upon 6. Next is if two numbers are a multiply, it means two powers are a multiply. So first power in this case, first power is x power m. So x power n into x power n. So result will be a x power m plus n. It's an important rule. X power m into x power n is equals to x power m plus n. So next one is, it means take the another example. 3 power 2 into 3 power 5. So how to calculate this exponent? So right now base is equal, so you can add this power. Base is equal means 3 and adding the power 2 plus 5. So result will be a 3 power 7. It's an example for calculating or calculate this using this formula or this law of exponent. X power m into n is equals to x power m plus n. Now next one is x power m divided by x power n. X power m divided by x power n. If x power n divided by x power m, so you can write the x power m minus n. It means how to use these formulas or this law of exponent. X power m divided by x power n is equals to x power m minus n. So first one example is 5 power 4 divided by 5 power 3. So you can write now the 5 power 4 minus 3. So answer will be 5 power 1. Its answer. It is using this formula is uses for example or a law of exponent x power m upon x power n. You can write the x power m minus n. So now next one is law of exponent x power m upon whole power x power n. It means x power m whole power n is equals to x power mn. So How to use this formula or these identities also? So x power m means, take the another example, 2 per power 3, 2 per power 2 whole power 3. So you can write the 2 per power 2 into 3. It means 2 per power 6. It is example for calculating this law of exponent. So now next one is the same. It means just reverse this for identities. x power xy power n is equals to x power n into y power n. It means 6 power n is equals to, you can write 2 per power n into 3 per power n. Next one is last x upon y per power n, x power y upon n means x upon y per power n is equals to x power n upon y per power n. So how to 2 upon 3 per power n is equals to 2 per power n upon 3 per power n. It's a rules law of exponent to using or calculating the another questions based on law of exponent. So now next and last law of exponent, x power minus n is equals to 1 upon x power n. Like as x power 5 power minus 1, 5 power minus 3, so you can write 1 upon 5 power 3. 2 per power minus 3, so you can write 1 upon 2 per power 3. It is useful for law of exponent. But now I have complete the all law of exponent related to chapter exponent. So now next video I will discuss the one by one laws and another example, taking another example for related to these laws. Discuss about the next class. Okay. Now I am ending the today's session. Next day I will continue this chapter. Okay, thank you students.